Hello and greetings, welcome friends to today's problem sums video tutorial where there is actually an actual question from Primary 6 Prelims from ACS Junior School. This was from 2020 examinations. Alright, let's discuss. The figure at the bottom, not drawn to scale, is a triangular piece of paper ABC. So this is the triangular piece of paper. It is folded along the line FD. This is line FD here, to obtain the figure on the right. Okay, so it becomes the figure on the right. So what happens is this side here fold in. Alright, so that you get something like this on the right side. Okay, so it's folded along the line FD to obtain the figure on the right such that AB is parallel to EF. So AB, which is this pink line here, is parallel to EF, this other pink line right here. You are also given that AEDC is a straight line, this line here, straight line, okay? Angle ABF is 70 degrees. Find angle AEF, which is this blue angle right here. Now, just like to mention a little bit about folding, okay, folding questions. Now, when you take this portion here, and you fold in, it's like a mirror image. Okay, whatever was on the right side now becomes the right side, the left side. Okay, I repeat, whatever is on the right side now becomes the left side. So this is an angle here is gonna be equal to this angle here. Alright, so likewise, this angle, same as this. Likewise, this blue angle folded inside, right? So it's the same as this blue angle, exactly the same value. And also this green angle here is this green angle as well, same value for the green angles. And not just that, friends, okay, we also got to understand that the similarity is not just for the angles, alright, it's also for the length as well. So this side here, this red side, was folded in, right? So red side is the same as this length here as well. So we can do this to indicate that FC is exactly the same value as FE. Alright. Now, how do we solve this question? How do we make use of what we have? So what we have is the 70 degrees, right? So these two pink lines, they are parallel to each other, parallel. Which means that if we want to use the 70 degrees, the only way we can use that is to find this angle BFE. Because these two angles will add up to 180 degrees. 180 minus 70, 110 degrees. So this particular angle BFE has a value of 110 degrees. Which we can then move on along this straight line here to find angle EFC, which is this one here. EFC will be 180 minus 110. Alright, angle EFC, 180 minus 110, 70 degrees. Alright, again, let me recap our mission. Our mission is to find AEF, which is this angle here. It will help us if we can find this red angle. Alright, and remember what we were discussing earlier, that these two lines, FE and FC, because you are folding FC inside, these two lines actually have the same length. So basically, this is an isosceles triangle, right? Whereby FE is the same as FC. And since we know angle EFC, which is this entire blue angle, which is 70 degrees, we just found that, we can find these red angles here and here. Okay, so how to find that angle FEC, which is one of the red angles? Alright, 180 minus 70 and then divide it equally into two parts. 110 divided by 2, 55 degrees. So the right angle, they have a value of 55 degrees. Alright, so going back to the question, find angle AEF, which is this one over here, which is lying on the same straight line as 55 degrees. AEF is just 180 minus this 55 degrees. Alright, final answer 125 degrees.